Aluminum Radiographs for Energy Training and Applications, URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. In the world of non-destructive testing, accuracy is not optional, it is critical. But how do professionals truly master radiographic interpretation without real, high-quality reference films? That is exactly where specialized aluminum radiographs come in. Welcome to this detailed walkthrough of a comprehensive radiograph solution designed specifically for training, qualification, and procedure validation in radiographic testing. Now, introduction to URGS International. URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited brings you a technically robust and application focused set of aluminum weld radiographs. These are not generic samples. Each radiograph is intentionally developed to simulate real-world welding discontinuities, helping trainees and professionals sharpen their interpretation skills under realistic conditions. Why aluminum radiograph matters? Aluminum behaves very differently compared to ferrous materials in radiography. Lower density, higher sensitivity to certain defects, unique weld characteristics. This makes aluminum radiographs essential for specialized training, procedure validation, skill development in light metal inspection. Without proper exposure to these variations, interpretation errors can easily occur in real inspections. Now, technical coverage overview. This radiograph set covers multiple radiographic techniques used in industry. SWSI, single wall single image. DWSI, double wall single image. DWDI, double wall double image, including both elliptical and superimposed methods. These techniques are essential for plate weld inspection, pipe weld evaluation, complex geometries. The welding process used GTAW, also known as TIG welding, widely used for high quality aluminum joints. Defect representation, core value section. What truly sets this radiograph set apart is the intentional inclusion of critical weld discontinuities. Let us look at what is covered: lack of penetration, lack of fusion sidewall and root. Root toy, HZ, center line and transverse cracks. Burn through, deep root concavity, deep undercut, cluster porosity, high-low misalignment, resistant inclusion. Each defect is clearly visible and realistically represented, allowing trainees to identify patterns, understand severity levels, improve decision-making skills. This is not just training, it is simulation of real inspection challenges. Image quality and standards compliance. Quality is everything in radiography. These films maintain a consistent density range of 2.0 to 3.5, ensuring optimal visibility and contrast. IQI, Image Quality Indicator usage. ASTM aluminum wire type IQI 2A/2B for plate welds. EN/DIN ISO wire type IQIs W6, W10, W13 AI for piping. Additional features include LED identification markings, customizable, F marking for DWSI technique. Everything aligns with international practices, making the set suitable for formal training and audits. Application and use cases. These radiographs are ideal for entity level 1, level 2 and level 3 training. Radiographic interpretation practice. Procedure qualification records, PQR support. Welding inspection institutes. Whether you are training provider, inspection agency or certification body, this set adds immediate value. Why choose this solution? Realistic defect simulation, multi-technique coverage, standards compliant IQI usage, ready for training and qualification. This is not just a product, it's a complete learning tool. So if you are looking to upgrade your NDT training infrastructure or enhance radiographic interpretation skills, this aluminum radiograph set is a reliable and professional choice. Email us info@urgseng.com. Our mobile number is +91 7359458455. This is our WhatsApp number also. Get in touch today to learn more or request your customized set. Thank you.